Hi there guys, welcome to Quick UI. I'm back again with another video. Well, a playlist this time. This playlist is a quick how-to to create the landing page of Netflix in ReactJs. Some things to note here would be that this project is hosted on GitHub. Link is in the description. And I have used Vite instead of Create React App. Although you can use any, everything will be same in both cases. That being out of the way, let's begin. This playlist is basically divided into 7 sections, one for each part of the landing page. Although this playlist consists of 8 videos of around 3 to 5 minutes each. This is the first of 8 videos where I'll be helping you set up this project so that things become a piece of cake down the line. Remember to not skip this video, and if you need any help, reach out to me over different social media channels given in the description. I think I spoke too long. So let's begin. Run npm create Vite to create a new Vite project. Again, you are free to use create React app if you like. Name your project. I named mine client. Let's select React as the framework. For the variant, let's go with JavaScript plus SWC. Our project is ready. Coming up is the in-project setup. Let's go to the project directory and install all the npm packages. As you can now see, the node modules folder appear. Let's run our project in development mode. So it's live on port 5174. Copy this URL and let's open it in our browser. We are going to need Web Inspector, so why don't we open it now? Next important thing we'll be needing is Tailwind CSS. Let us refer to the official Getting Started guide for its installation into our project. Since we are using Vite framework, go to that section. Initially, it's asking us to install Tailwind as developer package. Open new terminal and go to the project directory. Then run this command to do the same. Next, we will have to initiate Tailwind by generating a configuration file. For Tailwind to work properly during development, we need to give all the file types it has to watch for changes. Here is how to do it with a slight change in Tailwind configuration file. Let's paste it in. Next, we will have to delete everything from index.css and put in this Tailwind directives. Now you can see our project looks unstyled. To remove all previous styling, clear up app.css as well. Next, we will import all necessary assets from Netflix website that we will be needing, like fonts, images, videos, even colors and screen sizes. Before that, let's delete all the unnecessary assets. Clean up app.jsx so that we can start from a clean canvas. Delete this assets folder even, it's not required. Now, let's import all the files we will be needing inside public folder. Actually, let me show you some of the images that we will be using. Next, we will make some changes in Tailwind configuration theme so that we have consistent and good looking UI like the original website. We will extend the theme for our needs. Let's add a new font family and name it Netflix. Here they are, although you will have to import them later in index.css too. Next, add some predefined colors used by Netflix. I know I have done the hard work for you. Just for reference, brand primary is a deep red color that Netflix uses, and so on. These are some of the screen sizes that we will be needing to make the website responsive. Believe me, this might look unnecessary now, but this is how things are done in the industry. And it will even make your development life easier. You will find out soon enough. Now let's move our attention to index.css and import the custom Netflix font defined in the configuration. Define the font family, provide it with the URL of the font which is inside the public directory. Define its weight and style. Do the same for the remaining font weights. Let's install React Icons package beforehand for all the icons that we will be needing. Hard part is done. Now we will begin the exciting part, the actual UI development. Believe me, if you have watched and completed this full video, the coming up instructions will be much easier and will make much sense and will even be far easier than what we have done until now. With that said, let's meet in the next video where I'll be helping you make the hero section of the landing page. If that sounds interesting, please do not forget to like and subscribe to this video. And yeah, feel free to use the comment section below to ask me a doubt or maybe even give me a positive criticism. Thank you. Bye bye.